I have a task here, and it is to find the percent increase. My problem starts out with 250 is increased to 435. My first step in solving this problem is going to be to find the difference. So let's write our big number, 435. Our minus sign, 250. Remember, difference is subtracting. 5 take away 0 is 5. Can't take the 5 from the 3, so I need to borrow. It's going to become 13. That's going to become 3. 13 take away 5 is 8. All right, and 3 take away 2 is 1. So it went up 185. Now my next step is I take the 185, becomes the numerator in my fraction. The bottom number is 250. The fraction bar means divide. So my last step here is going to be dividing by 250. So I'm going to punch in my numbers. 185 divided by 250 equals, I get 0.74. So let's write that on our board now. And I'm going to go through this step just because many students forget how to turn a decimal into a percent. We need to take that decimal and move it 2 places to the right. The answer to this problem is 74%. Again, feel free to watch this video as many times as it takes until you see how we do this percent increase problem.